Okay, so Akko just upgraded their 3098B and this is what it looks like. This is Akko's 5098B, which features an LCD screen and a scroll wheel. This is a 98% keyboard with an ANSI layout that has an LCD screen which you can customize to display whatever you like using Akko's cloud driver. The scroll wheel on the top right hand part, which controls the volume by default. It is also equipped with Akko's very own black and gold ASA PBT double shot keycaps. Paired with Akko's V3 Piano Pro, this keyboard produces low-pitched and whole thugs. Okay, so full review of this amazing keyboard is uploaded on my YouTube channel. You should totally check that out.